So I have a really cool mount here for your GoPro or any other action camera. This allows you to mount your GoPro to a chain link fence really quickly and securely. It's pretty straightforward. You have your action mount with a ball head. It's connected to this adjustable arm with another ball head going to what looks like a phone mount, but it's not a phone mount. You can adjust this clip from 45 millimeters to 65 millimeters, but don't go beyond that because you might lose a spring like me. Where did this thing go? But anyway, you can easily mount this to a chain link fence and it's solid. It's not going anywhere. You can rest assured it's not going to fall off. And it's also very quality made with its ergonomic wing nut. And with this really nice articulating arm, you can really adjust this camera as much as you want. Cool thing is that you can take these mounts off and you have a very functional arm mount that can be perfect for lights, mics, or screen monitors. Another cool thing is that because you can angle it, you can also double this thing as a handle for vlogging. All in all, this is a really nicely made product. It's perfect if you want to record any basketball, baseball, football, tennis games, anything with chain link fences. So if you are looking for a good fence mount, check this